Hello and welcome to Mia's Yummy World, the Easy Recipes channel. Today we're going to make two types of mini cupcakes in just 5 minutes. We need 2 minutes to make the batter and 5 minutes to cook these sweet little cupcakes. They are just so simple and easy to make. It's super soft and totally delicious. So let's start. This is such an easy and simple recipe, just like all of my other cake recipes. You do not need measuring cups or weighing scales, just 2 large bowls, a regular tea mug, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and your regular hand mixer. To make the easy cake batter, take 3 eggs and separate the white and yolks. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm glad you're watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy videos every week. If you have seen my videos before and has returned for more, I'm even more happier to see you back. Thank you for coming back and I hope you are well. I'm also giving a shout out to Ideas for Everyone, just as I promised. Now back to our recipe. Into the yolk bowl, add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. I have used rice bran oil. Please use any flavorless oil. If you do not want to use oil, feel free to use 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Combine all these 3 ingredients really well until the sugar dissolves. Use a hand mixer if required, and if you use powdered sugar, this will take only a few seconds. Now the sugar is well combined. Add 4 tablespoons of sifted plain flour. Sifting makes the flour lighter and therefore easier to mix with the other ingredients. Also add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To the bowl, now add 1/2 cup of milk at room temperature and combine all of this well together into a smooth batter. It's ready. Keep this aside and whisk the egg whites until soft, white, cloudy peaks. At this stage, add just 4 teaspoons of fine granulated sugar and combine well. You do not want to overbeat the egg whites, just to soft, white, cloudy peaks, just like this. Now add in the yolk mixture little by little and cut and fold to combine everything smoothly. And when all of this is combined into a smooth, creamy batter, our cake mix is ready. You have to split this mixture into 2 separate bowls because we are going to make chocolate cupcakes as well as vanilla blueberry cupcakes. So our batter is now ready. I'm going to first show you how to make the delicious blueberry cupcakes. You can use fresh, frozen or dried blueberries. The ones that I'm using here is dried blueberries, just like raisins. If you do not like blueberries, you can add raisins or strawberries or any berries that you like. Just remember to coat the berries in a little bit of flour like this, otherwise they'll just sink to the bottom of the cupcakes when baked. Now our blueberry cake batter is ready. Pour it into the cupcake liners like this. I'll show you a bit later how to make the cupcakes without this mold. Now for our mini chocolate cupcakes, my kids' favorite, I've taken 2 tablespoons of warm milk, to which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Do not use drinking chocolate powder here because cocoa powder and drinking chocolate powder is different. Combine this really well to a smooth batter like this and then add it to the remaining cake batter. Combine this well and we have the chocolate cupcakes mix ready. The reason we are adding the cocoa powder to warm milk is to bloom the cocoa powder, which makes it so chocolatey, brings out all the flavor of the cocoa powder and gives a beautiful flavor to the cake. I'm also adding a handful of chopped nuts to the cake batter. I'm using hazelnuts, roasted chopped hazelnuts. You can use almonds or pistachios or even peanuts if you prefer. Or if you do not like nuts, just avoid this. You can add more blueberries and nuts on top of these cupcakes. Bake these cupcakes in preheated oven only at 180 degrees Celsius for just 5 minutes. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you how to make the cupcakes without a mold. Just take 2 cupcake liners like this and put one on top of the other to make it a thick cupcake holder. Fill just up till the 3/4 of the cupcake holder, otherwise when you bake the cupcakes, it may spill out of the case. So after 5 minutes, these lovely, beautiful cupcakes are ready, allowed to cool completely, and this is just so delicious. And as you have seen, it is super easy too. If you have guests or if you want to make this quickly for tea, I can promise you this is not going to take more than 10-15 minutes at the maximum. Cooking time is just 5 minutes, and this is the cupcake we have made without the mold, and it's come out just beautifully. You can reuse the second cupcake liner, and you see it is so well cooked and it looks so moist and beautiful. With this measure, I have made 30 mini cupcakes. They are all so super soft and tasty, and it's perfect with tea or coffee or just to snack on. I hope you like this recipe and will find it useful. If so, please like this video, and if you didn't like it, then please press the dislike button. Please give me a comment so I can make it better next time. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe, and I'll see you next week with yet another super easy and tasty treat. Bye.